My name is Jonathan, and today we are going to do a video on the recall 19S07? 19S01. Alright, start over. Well, today we are replacing an airbag, and all this stuff has to come out. And I know it looks terrible, but it will all go back together. Alright. Just like it came out. But, got to make sure everything goes back how it comes in too. There we go. Oh, now this is going to be a little loud. Even louder. Now I got to sit here and pull this panel out. All right. Comes right out. And all right, we're back. All right. Woohoo! So we have to dig this piece out here, and because we got a new one. Bingo. Now, do we get commercial breaks in this too?
I don't think so.
Oh man, we got to get some paid advertisers. Hey, if anybody'd like to support our channel, just feel free to give us a holler. We'll put your ad right here, and we're back. That's how easy that is, see? I don't know what's in there. I don't care what's in people's cars. I just have to take them apart. We've found some pretty fun stuff though over the years.
Any that you can tell us about?
No, not right now. No, I'm just kidding. Then you have to take all this console apart. All right. And just for safety's sake, we always mark where we take all the stuff out. Anything comes out on this side goes here. That way it goes back in there. Hey, can you edit some hair in on top of my head?
I can try.
Yeah. Good luck with that. Now we pick this thing up. So guys, if it's pointless, let it do its thing. I can come back. Then we take this out. We set it back here with Joe. See, now here's the bad part. All the other dealers are going to see how I do this so fast, and they're going to copy me, and then they're going to make a ton of money and retire early, and then...
That, or they're going to offer you a job.
They could always do that. Jonathan at... Alright, got to switch sides.
Alright.
Alright, that's where you put the advertisement. See, there's another good advertisement spot right there, and we're back. Alright, you probably ought to need to get in that other seat. Alright. I don't know whose idea it was to record all this. It sure wasn't mine.
I think it was Sam with the idea, to be honest.
Sam? Does he have the express written permission of Ford to give away trade secrets?
Probably not.
Okay, well, because I'm fixing to make about $25,000 on blackmail there.
Right.
So, either way, I win. Alright. Make sure everything goes back where it came from. Alrighty. Oh, this is so fun. I've only done about 3 billion of these things. Gotta get this clip out again. Same thing we did over there, just on this side. A lot of noise. Alright, so we got manual, AC, no hose, good. Alright, and then we undo this and that. Some of this stuff under here is kind of hidden, so I'd show you, but not all that fun anyway. So now I got to go undo the batteries. Be right back. Time for the advertisement right here. Yeah. Alright, now we get, all the way down. See, we wouldn't need to get a whole bunch of views to get paid if people would just advertise with us.
This is true.
Yeah. This has to come out because there's a couple pesky little bolts right back in there. See right there and there? There's 2 pesky bolts.
Yep, we see them.
They hold the dash in. I got to take the dash out. And I have seen most of the YouTubers, they script their videos and read all that, and it's great and wonderful. No script. This is all off the cuff. These are the jokes, folks. Laugh if you want to. Now for the fun part. 8, 10, 7, this, and this. Now if Joe will hop out, I'll show you how this dash comes out. You just pull.
Ooh.
And it comes out. Now your airbag is behind here. So it's not easily accessible. That's why you have to do all this. Then you have to take this big white thing out of the way. That's your duct for your air vent. You don't need it. This is an airbag. So. Alright, now you see how easy all these bolts are coming out. When they go back in, they sometimes make a weird noise. That's called cross-threading. That's better than any Loctite ever. They'll never come out. Never shake loose, never cause a rattle. It's great. And any leftover bolts, those are just weight savings. I'm just helping the economy with their fuel efficiency. If you have bolts left over, you did it right. Alright, and there's a whole airbag. Goes boom. Don't play with them. Don't sit on them. They hurt.
Because I was showing off. So again, put it back.
Here's the new one. Be careful with it.
I'm jealous of your chef.
Yeah, you probably don't edit that out, me throwing that old airbag. Oops. Now I got to take this piece out to put this in. I don't know what it does. It's a piece of plastic. There's already one in there, but they want two. Not my problem. See, that comes out. Then you take your mystery plastic, put it in there over top of the other. Why we need two is beyond me. Somebody from Ford will probably see this video and put in the comments why it's supposed to be there. Don't care. They told me it was there. Then you got to put it all back together, which is oodles of fun. Is your wife British?
No. No, she's American. She's from here.
Oh,
that's why I'm here.
For her?
Yeah.
That's kind of sweet in its own weird way. I was thinking, I have watched some videos on YouTube. A guy named Robert Dunn. He goes under the YouTuber name Aging Wheels. He does a lot of cool stuff with old weird cars.
Right.
And zip ties and bias plies. You got to watch him. He's hilarious. He swears a lot, but he's my type of guy.
Yeah.
And he does a lot with diesels. Oh, no free cross thread that time.
Don't you remember the
Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay, time for this to go back in. This is what the whole recall is about.
Yeah.
Okay, now you're going to want to come around and see how this dash goes back in. It's really, really
so you want me
neat.
on the other side?
No, in the back.
Okay, alright.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
And dash is back in. Yay!
Easy as that?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
So now you just got to put the screws back in?
Well, yeah, they're bolts, but yeah.
Bolts, sorry.
Yeah. Here in America, we call them bolts.
Yeah.
You put a couple in here to hold it. Then you hook this stuff up.
Or do you want to finish up and sign out?
Alright.
So what did we do?
We replaced an airbag. I think I went over that like 8 times now. We've replaced the airbag for a recall so people don't get injured when they crash.
Yeah.
But yeah, all I gotta do is put all this stuff back in, make it look like I've never been here, and life will go on.
Yep. Alright,
It's just a bunch of trim bits and a few bolts, nuts. Hook the battery back up, start it up. And let me know in the comments below if we should do another video on how to fix your car. Or how to let us fix your car, or, well, you know what I'm talking about.
Something like that.
Yeah, do that below, please. And I guess that's about it for this episode, or whatever. Webinar, or so, yeah. Enjoy. Ciao. How was that?